Alright, here we go.
A little bit beforehand, can you let us know that we're gonna...
Yep, we'll do.
Okay, so that we can see who has cooldowns.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Beware.
Bring him out a little bit, Beef. Right there.
Three, two, one.
Beware.
Three, two, one.
It's
Beware.
group him up, DPS him down.
Beware.
Grab an X.
I have innermost.
I have 5th. Outermost.
I'll get mid.
I'll get second closest.
Anyone need help?
Alright, Beef, we're gonna move him to the left.
I need help
now.
on 5th.
Flank is there. Are you on the other spot? I'm slow.
I hear.
Lazy's with me, we're good.
Alright, Beef, move left. Or to your right, sorry.
Go a little bit middle, the bus coming.
I got him.
Yep, you got him. Yep, you got him. Watch orbs.
Go on the other side of the orbs, to the right of the rooms. There you go. Should be safe now.
Two,
Be alright, right here.
one.
Beware.
To the left.
Yeah, watch for this orb. The green marker should be a safe spot, or ish. Get close to the wall. Let's go.
Three, two, one.
Beware.
Safe here.
Three, two, one.
Beware.
If we get the black circles, I want a full DPS stop on the boss.
Three, two.
Push him fast.
Very good. Good job, guys.
I left.
Yep, gotcha.
Beware.
What's your debuff? If you get it, move. Going middle.
We get outer.
I need.
I'm with you, Iso. Oh, you guys have it already. I'm going like the second outer.
I'm good on outer by myself.
I'm good by myself as well.
Everyone good?
These guys on the ad, just watch out
Alright,
for the
beef,
ball.
just roll right, beef. Roll away from the orb.
Middle's done.
Outer's done.
Done.
Phased.
Hold here, beef.
Nice.
I got him right here. I'm gonna hold right here.
Plus once balls are done.
2,
I got boss.
1.
Beware.
We will do the first one normally with the ads since we got bloodlust and everything. The ads will die fast. Watch out for the
Absolutely
balls
this
coming
time.
straight to us. So yeah, no more mechanic for this one.
Plus now?
Yep.
Once the ad's out, right?
Yeah, once the ads are out.
Now. Take him off me, take him off me.
Yeah, I got you. I'm just wanting to move to where I want
Two
to.
rounds.
Listing.
I got closer ring.
Alright, beef.
Two in. You got the other ring, Rex? Okay.
Watch your
Order.
footing if you're beating on the boss.
Everyone set?
Seems like it, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Beam's coming in, watch.
We're good here.
So we're going to cheat the next one. Just get the circles out and then pop it. AM's in the middle. Popping Nightmare.
I have wings. Who else has a cooldown?
I do.
Runic, I'm in
Just run straight into it.
I'm grabbing second.
Here, you.
Stay in the AMZ as long as the debuff is up for 8 seconds if you can.
I need one in the middle.
Did you get your help?
Yes,
Yep.
sorry.
I have a healing cooldown for next one.
Okay.
Do you want to cheese the next one too, or you want to do the normal? Because we got times. We're not in rush there.
We still have Trank. And we still have
2,
Holy Word, so, or yeah,
Wings.
Salvation. So
So let's cheese the next one too. Beef, same thing. You bring the circles out and then you pop it when we're ready.
Beware.
Weekends is like, yeah, I
Pump the
think.
boss.
I got closest ring. Or middle ring.
Beware.
Just do damage.
Get that out.
get that out, please. Good job, guys.
There we go.
Finally!
Fucking
Hell yeah!
I got flawless fate on the heroic.
Yo, dude, I got flawless fate
Oh,
too.
yeah.
What the fuck?
You didn't
Good
get
job,
hit by anything.
guys.
You did it right.
I got gloves that I. Wait, do I need these? Yeah.
Let's take
I got
a
embers.